Do you like to write emails? I must admit that I hate it. I'm kinda okay with writing things, I'm kinda okay with grammar, but I really hate orthography. But that's all no problem, and we don't even have to write the emails ourselves. Just look at how ChatGPT can help us with this. You can simply type in what kind of email do you want. Let's say you wanna make a cold mail to a client to sell let's say a meal plan, because I'm personal trainer and I sell meal plans. And our bot starts. Dear client, I hope this email finds you well. My name is Arnold and I'm reaching out to introduce our company meal plans that are designed to provide you with a nutrition blah blah blah. I think ChatGPT can write really good emails. You just have to check them out yourself. You have to provide ChatGPT normally more data. ChatGPT will write good emails even on a such low base of data that I have gave him. But the more data you give him, the better the emails. Just let's try this out. My friend had a date with a woman. They are now engaged. They wanna marry. The woman's name is Alicia. I find her nice. Please write me a congratulation email for Dave and tell him that I am happy. He should bring Alicia to my house party on Saturday. Hey Dave, I just heard the great news about your engagement to Alicia, and I wanted to take a moment to say congratulations. I am so happy for you both, and I wish you all the best as you begin this chapter in your lives together. Alicia seems like a great person and I can't wait to meet her in person at my house party this Saturday. It's going to be a blast and I am sure you two will have a great time. Once again, congratulations on your engagement. I look forward to celebrate with you both soon. Best, your name. So as you can see, you can write the emails just like you want. Just give ChatGPT the right context, the right information, and he will write pretty damn good emails. If you try to make cold emails, just give him enough information. For example, what you wanna sell, how is the client, does the client like long texts? If you know the client, tell him how much you know about the client and he will provide really good mails. Trust me on this one. So let's make one last example. Let's say you have a company and you don't have much to do. I have a company, I program, I know 20 other companies. I want to make a website for them. Please write me a cold mail. Stress how important a good website is for the marketing and the future of the companies. Dear company name, I hope this email finds you well. My name is Arnold and I am the owner of Program Your Damn Website, a web development programming company. I'm reaching out to introduce our service and discuss the potential of creating professional website for your business. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for any business looking to grow and succeed. A well-designed and user-friendly website is not only essential for your marketing efforts, but also for the future of your business. It provides potential customers with a positive first impression and allows them to easily access information about your products and services. I have experience working with a variety of companies across different industries, and I understand the unique needs and goals of each business. I would be happy to provide you with samples of our previous work and discuss the specific requirements for your website. Please let me know if you would be interested in scheduling a call or discuss further. I would be happy to provide you with a quote and answer blah blah blah. Okay. So as you can see, ChatGPT has written a mail that is maybe better than I can write a mail in English. So use ChatGPT to make such emails. If you like them, just send them. If you don't like them, just rephrase them a little bit. And that's the next thing. If you wanna rephrase them, just do this. Rephrase the mail. And he starts typing. He will create a mail that's relatively simple, but he will use just a little bit of another language. Just look at it. The emails are relatively same, but he uses a little bit of other words. So if you don't like the first one, but you think the first one is relatively good, just try the word rephrase this. And he will provide you a mail that's nearly the same, but a little bit different. So I hope you will never write an email yourself again. Enjoy it.